Hi there. Ever opened up your computer and felt a little overwhelmed by the clutter on your desktop? It's so easy for icons and files to pile up and get out of hand, but today, I'm going to show you how to make your desktop look clean. Let's turn your desktop from messy to minimal in just a few simple steps. Get rid of it! The first thing we're going to do is remove unnecessary desktop icons. Research in productivity, like the study from Cornell University back in 2018, found that too much visual clutter, like a busy desktop, can actually make it harder to concentrate. So let's start by cleaning up the visual clutter. Identify the icons you actually use. Go through each one and ask yourself, do I use this regularly? If not, let's move it. Create a folder for occasionals. For items you don't use every day but still need, make a new folder called Occasionals or something similar, and move those items into it. Just right-click on the desktop, select New, then Folder, and name it. Delete or unpin unused icons. For programs or shortcuts you don't use at all, right-click the icon and select Delete or Unpin from Desktop. Don't worry, this only removes the icon, not the actual program. Once the main icons are tidied up, let's sort through any loose files and organize them better. Create categories for your files. Most productivity experts, like Marie Kondo, suggest grouping similar items together for easy access and visual simplicity. On your desktop, this could mean creating folders named Work, Personal, Photos, or whatever categories make sense for you. Move files into appropriate folders. Go through your loose files and drag them into these new folders. This doesn't just look good, it also helps you locate files faster. A 2020 study by the University of California found that structured digital environments can save you up to 2 hours per week in finding things. Imagine that. Date-based organization, optional. If you prefer, you can create folders by month or year instead of category, especially if you have a lot of ongoing projects. Choose a clean desktop wallpaper. Your desktop wallpaper makes a big impact on how clean your screen looks overall. For a minimalist approach, I recommend choosing a simple wallpaper that's not too busy. Research in color psychology, like that from Pantone's 2021 report, shows that soft blues, greens, and neutral shades can help you feel more relaxed and focused. Choose a minimalist wallpaper, a single color background, nature scenes, or abstract designs work well. All you have to do next is right-click on the image file, then choose Set as Desktop Background and you're set. Use a cleanup tool to remove unwanted files. Even after organizing, your desktop might still have files or programs that take up space. Using a cleanup tool can help tidy things up behind the scenes. Download a cleanup tool. Free options like CCleaner and Disk Cleanup are popular and effective. Paid tools like Clean My PC offer additional features if you want deeper scans. Run the cleanup tool. Open the tool, run a scan, and select files to delete. Most tools recommend safe-to-delete items, so you don't accidentally remove anything important. Remove temporary files and caches. This is especially helpful if your system has slowed down. The tool will guide you step by step, so just follow its prompts. Digital housekeeping like this can free up storage space and make your computer run faster. Adjust your desktop icon size and spacing. Making your desktop icon smaller can contribute to a cleaner look. Here's how you can do it. Right-click on your desktop and go to View. From here, you can select small, medium, or large icons. Choosing small gives you more room and reduces visual clutter. Adjust spacing, Windows. If you want a bit more space between each icon, press Ctrl on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel to adjust. Set up a system for keeping your desktop clean. Now that you have a clean desktop, let's keep it that way. Many people find that setting aside a few minutes at the end of each day to file away new items helps keep things tidy. If you're worried about sticking to it, consider setting a recurring reminder on your phone or using an app like Habitica, which gamifies these little routines. Daily 5-minute tidy. Each day, spend just a few minutes moving any new files into their designated folders. Weekly cleanup. Once a week, do a quick scan for anything that can be deleted or archived elsewhere, like an external drive or cloud storage. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your desktop is clean, organized, and ready to help you focus on what really matters. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share this video with anyone who might need a little desktop makeover. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you have tips of your own on keeping a clean desktop. Thanks so much for watching and happy organizing.